This video guide is about removing the online scam that is related to the site Calmer.live. Calmer.live is a new malicious website that displays pretty scary and frustrating content, which tries to make people download and install certain potentially unwanted software. Interacting with pop-ups by Calmer.live is therefore extremely dangerous. You should not do that. Stay away from downloading or installing anything that these pop-ups suggest. They may tell a lot of deceptive messages to scare you into downloading some potentially unwanted programs. For instance, the pop-up could say that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, but the point is that these pop-ups typically can come up on many other computers, and the message is basically the same. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to make you download certain potentially unwanted programs, so don't interact with these deceptive alerts. We recommend you to thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may obtain on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then begin researching and investigating the system to detect and eliminate other infections fully from your Windows computer. And this is the best way to keep your computer always protected in the future. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.